Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to refill your Kraken account. Funding your account allows you to start trading cryptocurrencies quickly and securely. Let's get started. First, open the Kraken app or go to the Kraken website and log into your account. Next, navigate to the funding section from the main menu. Then, select the currency you want to deposit, whether it's fiat money or cryptocurrency. Now, choose your deposit method, such as bank transfer, debit/credit card, or crypto transfer, depending on what's available in your region. After that, follow the on-screen instructions, including entering the amount and any required payment details. Finally, confirm the deposit. Your funds will appear in your Kraken account once the transaction is processed, and you'll receive a notification when it's complete. That's it. Refilling your Kraken account is quick, safe, and ensures you can start trading immediately. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.